Hey guys! So welcome back to this vlog in Vlogmas day 6. I am excited because today I get to open my present, as seen in the title. Yes, if those who didn't know, my birthday was yesterday, which was December 5th. So I am very grateful for all those who send their lovely messages, who post my pics. Those are gifts, you know. Those are inspiring. I think they are the best gifts you can ever receive. The words, the sweetie, them, all of them. I'm grateful for them. So today, you're going to see what I got for my birthday. Listen, it's a lot of bags to open. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, one bag of rainbow force. So, we're going to go through. My sister is going to have to assist me. So, which one are we going to go? Oh my God. She's just ready. So, I guess this is from her. Is it from the family or you alone?
The family. Everything
the
from me
family.
For the family.
So, the family got me. Drum roll, please. Oh my God. Oh, you are a capable, beautiful, and talented person. Just as you were, what?
No,
just as you were meant to be. Look at that, guys. Are you seeing it? I don't know. My camerist will tell me. Are they seeing it, cameras?
They're seeing it.
It is so lovely. And the picture that they use, oh my God, the diva look for the summer. Thank you, sister. Thank you, mom. Thank you, dad. Mwah. Always love you. All right, so I'm going to put back that. That now open. You know, that I go put on for my house.
Alright. I'm going to see what this is.
Okay, so there's 2 different gifts here. So we're going to use this one first because I have to pack it up from school. So this is for my dark, well, some of the things them in there. These are from my darling candy from school, my parents. As you seen in the other video, I showed you that they threw down a whole 31 balloons. Yeah, for those who didn't know, I'm 31. And they know my favorite snack. So they got me banana chips. They got me chairs, ping pong, daddy steve. If you know me, these are my favorite snack, right? Okay? And to top it all off, this is from Zaire, my student. He said, Miss, I'm gonna buy. He had a $50 in his hand. He's like, Miss, this is to buy you sweetie. It's not lunch money, you know. It's not lunch money. It's to buy you sweetie. And see, I get my good gummy bear. So Zaire, baby, thank you very much, my sweetie pie. And then in here, I'm not showing them my money. Let me show them. $1,200 I got from my coworker, which is drum roll, please. Like seriously, drum roll for that. Anyway, my caregiver that I work with, thank you so much. You watch this vlog. Thank you, Miss Joy, for always tuning in. Love you. Mwah. Yes, and my 3 sweetie, I don't remember the student's name. Honestly, they just gave me break time and I really don't remember. But thank you guys. I don't know. I don't think they watch my vlog, but thank you guys. And then the bag came with something early in the morning. As if somebody just packed it up. From Kenisa, my goddaughter. Thank you, my baby. And it's done. And yes, my sister talking about rose she got teeth, which we know that she loves Dove, so she will teeth. But maybe use it in her bathroom with her. Anyway, thank you guys so much. So let's pack this away. Shake, you're gonna take this now. Feel like mom, please.
Put it back. In. You're not spoiling the dinner.
I'm the birthday girl. It's my birthday.
He's a Lone Ranger. No, you need to finish with that.
Alright, so in the bag right here. So we're doing cherry at school, right? And I know it was my birthday, so I saw the gift bag and I was like, ooh, that's so cute. When I look inside, I saw this note. Read. Do you see it? Do you read? Let me read if you can't see. Happy birthday to my pixie, Miss Bailey. Lord Jesus, I did one ball. Oh my God. I don't know who my pixie is, but she has been showering me with love. May I say she, one man work at school now, so I don't know if a male or female. But they have been showing, or him or her have been showing me with love. And I am grateful. Oh my God, I lose one of the rows. Come back. So it's a lovely basket. Honestly, people, me not use it until me got me house. So me go kindly put it back in my bag and I make mommy see it. So I go back. Oh, I lost one of my child, sweetie. I know I had a one at one. See? Me put it in my bag so mommy not see it. Mom. So that's. Thank you, my cherry. I will know who it is on December. I will know. Anyway, you see this wine here? You see this wine?
And the ice cream in the fridge.
And the ice cream that's in the fridge is from my brother. Thank you, bro. You know yourself. Ain't gonna call no names here. You know that. You know I love you all the time. Big up yourself. Can't wait for your birthday. Big up yourself. All right. What's next?
I'm kind of curious.
Oh my God, she's curious to see what's inside. I really don't know who is this from.
I think one of them are from Miss Price.
And one from who?
I don't know.
Oh, both of them are from Miss Price?
I don't know.
Well, I'll know after. Let's figure it out. Ooh, doggy. Ooh.
Oh my God.
What is this?
So cute. It's a pillow.
It's a pillow?
Yes.
Oh my
It's
God.
a nut pillow.
What do you mean by a nut pillow?
That's a nut. No, it's a nut.
Oh,
It's just a cute
it's just
decorated
a
pillow.
Oh my
Come,
God.
hold up so
It's
this
for
camera
Christmas
see you.
too. Thank you. I
so
don't know who
cute.
gave it to me, but thank you. It's so cute. It's all, but there's two bags here. And mommy said this was from Miss Price.
She said Miss Price delivered them.
Oh, I'm not gonna destroy my gifts bag. I'm sorry, people. I reserve. I'm a teacher. So let's open the other one from Miss Price and see what's inside. Are you sure this is mine? Because it's all yellowy. I'm thinking that it's your old gift, so I'm not gonna open that one on you. We're gonna ask Miss Price about that. You know she always buy gifts for us for twins, so I'm just assuming it's the same thing inside, but it's yellowy. Mine is red, so I'm assuming it's hers. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna use this bag. You have to untie that for me, or I can just put it up.
Wait, you tie it sitting in there.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, this can grab something else. This one can come up. Yeah. Alright, so this was from Candy, people. I need to go put this in the fridge. Come, I'm gonna drink my vitamins. There you go. Candy, I get no. I don't find candy. This was from brother Mr. Isaac from my school.
This is
yes.
You can't please put them on the floor and don't put them on the floor. I'm afraid them slide.
Right, just take them and put them on the dresser over there. Alright, so this is from my coworker Miss Allen, I think. Yeah. Yes, this is it. Inside is another bottle of wine. I'm gonna be drunk tonight. I joke, but I drink them all up. And plus I'm non-alcoholic. So anyway, I'm gonna stop stress. You know. But I didn't want to open my gift from my birthday so early. So I decided to open it after. So I'm gonna get this on. Gonna drink some wine. Alright, let's look at. Ooh. Oh, this was another wine from Candy. I'm sorry. I think Candy and Miss Simmons. I'm not even sure. But it's a wine again. I'm gonna chill this one. We want this to be chill, okay? Yeah, okay. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna have this taxi driver I'm gonna go with every morning. Me not talk to one from Craft Seal, but me the other one, yes. And he bought me liquor. Y'all know I like my stuff. So yeah, we're gonna bust up this. It's cool already, so it has to go in the fridge showcase. So put it over there with the fridge stuff. So we're gonna do that. Anyway, this is from my darling God's mother's mommy. She decided to get me a gift. I was like, oh, thanks. She just called me and said, come up the road, I have something for you. So yeah. So inside, drum roll please, we have my favorite chocolate, my second favorite chocolate rather. Everybody knows my first favorite chocolate. What is my first favorite chocolate? Catch. Yeah, so only my sister knows. Yeah, she knows me the best anyway. Yes, and somebody else, which I won't say. Anywho, yeah, so that's chocolate. And me get another meh wine. Oh, this time I hear that this flavor is really nice, and I can't wait to sample this. We not sample this till Christmas, that's true. Because, Kay, you know why? I got my wine cup to drink with. I'll be seeing this. So let's open it and see what's inside the bag.
No,
bam, bam, bam.
You need to use it tonight.
Tonight. Put some of this off the wash. Yes. So inside the bag is another little stuff. Ooh. This is. My sister have ODC here.
OCD.
I said it OCD. Guys,
cute.
look at this. I can now carry this and look in the mirror and say, "Ooh, Taki, I look good." Yes, I think I'm becoming a lady. Because I don't have those stuff. I'm a lady and I don't have those stuff in my bag. Don't ask me for them. Anyway, let's get up to my boo thing bag. So first, there's a card, so we're gonna read it. She always makes me happy with these cards, so we're gonna read it.
You're gonna read it from.
Oh, of course you're getting something for your birthday. Like, this is so me, sassy. So that's me. Inside, ooh, fresh cash. Anyway, put that away. So inside it says, yeah. So it says happy 31, Shan. And she always have some cute something. Me want always to be find them something. Yeah. This card is something, isn't it? Yes. Have a good one. May God bless and keep you from Bufang. Whoop whoop. So this is from Bufang. Thank you, baby. And then oh, she gave me this. I had to wear it all day at school. Yeah. Aww. My tagged. My tag. And then she has something in here. What's in the bag? I feel like one heavy salty. Boy. I never know there's something in there. I'm sorry, Boothang. Ooh, she get me back one of those hand sanitizer. I like it. These are so cute. They smell nice. Oh my, I was a steel fair, so she must buy me one. Anyway, I see pink, and when I see pink, I go crazy. I got a blouse. Oh, let me show you. I got a blouse, people. You see that? Smell like fire. And then I got a pants. She, you know, so she always buy me pants, them people. She buy me first pants when we were going to school down there. Like, you know, she doesn't know what to buy for me. Thanks, baby. Yes. So we're gonna put this away. Shaki, you're not helping me out. Move them away.
Why? You wanna fuck up after this?
Oh my God, you're evil.
You wanna fuck up for me?
Oh my God, I helped you.
No, you did not.
Is this the last one? No, that's not the last one.
You have another one.
Who's this from?
Our family. No, that one. Yeah. That one is from me.
Shine. Oh my God, it's Shine. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pull up my hair.
You're not even see it.
I don't care. The camera must see first. That's what you always tell me. The camera
eats first. But you don't show them.
Wait, they're going to see on me.
Sorry.
Oh, doggy. This Christmas is going to be hype here. Oh, voila. Do you like me now? Dirt boots. Dirt boots. Christmas I come, me want my shirt. Christmas I come, me want my jacket. Christmas I come, Christmas breeze blow. Can you feel that?
Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Guys, thank you. You say it's from you or from Mom?
That one is from
everybody.
Because you're matching with me. I have one of that.
So that's why when you do a day vlog, you tell them, say, you have to watch my video because you don't want to show. Okay. I watched her vlog and heard it, you know. Put put you over there. All the clothes go over that side. Now this one.
That's the last one.
I don't know who admire me, but somebody admire me. And somebody knows my color too. So obviously, I'm a principal. You must have she.
Oh,
Never ask her tomorrow. But me don't see no. They're supposed to put who is it from?
Yes. Me say she ever pull before in show camera. See.
Oh. Spin the ring.
There we go.
Alright, let's see what's inside. I'm not a fan of. Where's the scissors? Because I'm not a fan of opening stuff decent. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna rip it. Thank God Mommy's not here. It well tight to inner people, well packed. Ooh, I destroyed it. I don't know how to pull them something here.
There's a tape on it. So you gotta cut the tape. Cut it. Cut it. I think that's scrunchy on here. It's not a scrunchy. Over there. Yes. Cut it.
Oh my God.
You know me not to look away. I dropped this.
Anyway, that's okay. Oh, that's why it fell, because this is high. It just fell out of place. Ooh. 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 Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, gonna go pick up.
Whoa. Alright, so, ooh. Wow. Wow.
That will come out. Oh, yeah, yeah.
My lips are kissable stones. Thank you. And this cute unicorn. Do you see? Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm becoming a child again. Okay. Have faith. Who should I have faith in? I need to know who gave it to me. I don't know. Really
You
don't
have to show
know.
them a book. No, son.
I'm sorry. I'm being a bad. So it's a diary and it says have faith. So I'm gonna be writing in this. Why am I so clumsy? I'm gonna be writing in this very soon. Very soon. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, lady stuff. Your anxiety, Jesus.
5 minutes to drop.
You see that, guys? It's so cute. Thank you. Thank you, whoever gave it. I still feel it's Miss Newbie. I ain't gonna ask nobody else. Oh my God. I got my own cup and saucer. I don't want to open it yet. But anyway, that's it.
Spoon and all.
Spoon and all. So nobody can talk to me till Christmas coming. I already have my coffee cup. I just need a coffee inside. Anyway, this is... You don't like read. What about this? Oh, it's chocolate. It's chocolate cake. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. Or I hope it's chocolate to eat. I don't know. We're gonna open and see. Let's clip off one of them. Is this the last gift? Okay. It's chocolate, guys. If it's chocolate, I'm eating one. I'm just saying. Telling my sister in front of me. I'm gonna spoil my dinner. Why do they give you so much things to open? You just want to eat when you see things. Oh, oh Jesus. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Fabulous. You want to taste, please? Go for fabulous. We're gonna finish this snack. I'm sorry. Whoever gave it to me, thank you. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can see what's going on for Vlogmas. More fun video coming up. See you in day 7. Love you guys. Bye.